You have a relay bank that's acting up. Are you experiencing intermittent connectivity, maybe some unexpected downtime, or are you just hearing that dreaded click 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 that shouldn't be there? Relay banks are the workhorses of industrial control, but when they malfunction, they can bring an entire operation to a grinding halt. We're talking about the core of your switching mechanisms, and keeping them in top shape is crucial. I'm here to walk you through the 3 most common relay bank issues, and more importantly, exactly how to fix them. Let's dive into those failure points. The first major issue is contact corrosion or wear. Every time a relay switches, a tiny arc is generated, which over time causes pitting and buildup on the contact points. This corrosion increases resistance, leading to overheating, voltage drops, and eventually, failure to switch reliably. The fix: inspection and cleaning or replacement. If the corrosion is minor, you can often gently clean the contacts with a specialized relay burnishing tool or contact cleaner. But, if the pitting is deep, the only reliable solution is to replace the individual faulty relay. Don't cheap out here, a single bad contact can cascade into bigger problems. Next up, we have coil failures. The relay coil is a simple electromagnet, but it's susceptible to issues like open circuits, short circuits, or even overheating due to incorrect voltage. An open circuit means the relay won't energize at all. A short circuit can draw too much current and potentially damage your control circuitry. The solution is resistance testing and voltage verification. Use a multimeter to check the coil's resistance. Compare it to the manufacturer's specification. If it reads infinite, open, or near zero, short, the relay is bad and needs to be replaced. Also, ensure the control voltage supply to the coil is within its operating range. Overvoltage will burn out the coil quickly. Finally, let's talk about intermittent operation due to mechanical issues. This is where you get those frustrating intermittent failures. The relay works most of the time, but not always. This is often caused by a fatigued or broken spring, or dirt and debris physically obstructing the armature's movement. The fix here is often a mix of cleaning and mechanical adjustment. First, de-energize and thoroughly clean the relay area to remove any debris. For mechanical issues like spring fatigue, most modern relays are sealed and non-serviceable, meaning the reliable fix is, you guessed it, replacement. However, on older, open-frame relays, a qualified technician can sometimes make minor adjustments to restore proper tension and movement. Remember, a functioning relay bank is all about reliability and minimal downtime. Addressing these 3 common issues, contact wear, coil failure, and mechanical hiccups, is your blueprint for a robust control system. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.